Ever dreamed of a perfect vacation in Ocho Rios, Jamaica? Well, pinch yourself because this is no dream. Welcome to paradise. Imagine yourself in Ocho Rios, a port town on Jamaica's north coast, a place that is as vibrant as it is serene. Here, the sun always shines, the sea always sparkles, and the smiles are as warm as the island breeze. In this video, we're going to embark on a thrilling journey, exploring some of the most luxurious resorts in Ocho Rios. Each one a world in itself, offering a unique blend of comfort, adventure, and the allure of the Caribbean. We'll dive deep into what makes each resort a gem in its own right, from their pristine beaches to their world-class amenities and everything in between. So buckle up, or should I say, put on your flip-flops as we set off on this Jamaican journey. Picture this: you're sipping on a Mai Tai, surrounded by lush greenery at the Sandals Ochi Beach Resort. This is not just a resort, it's a tropical paradise where all your worries fade away, replaced by the soothing sounds of the Caribbean Sea. The resort is a sprawling tropical oasis, boasting a private beach that's more than just a stretch of sand. It's a sanctuary where you can unwind under the warm Jamaican sun, take a dip in the crystal-clear waters, or partake in water sports activities. The beach is your playground, and the ocean is your pool. But Sandals Ochi Beach Resort is more than just a beach. It's a gastronomical journey with 16 unique dining establishments. Whether you're craving a juicy steak, authentic Jamaican jerk, or a delicate sushi roll, your taste buds will embark on a journey around the world without leaving the resort. With the gourmet dining, every meal is a culinary adventure. And if you're a golf enthusiast, you're in for a treat. The Sandals Golf and Country Club is a golfer's paradise. The challenging yet beautiful course, nestled in the hills of Ocho Rios, offers stunning panoramic views. It's not just about the game here, it's about immersing yourself in nature's beauty while enjoying your favorite pastime. The Sandals Ochi Beach Resort is opulence redefined. It's like stepping into a Bond movie without the villains, of course. Here, the only mission you have is to relax, unwind, and enjoy the luxury. Every corner of the resort, every blade of grass, every grain of sand is designed with your ultimate comfort in mind. And remember, at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort, the staff is there to ensure your stay is nothing short of spectacular. Their warm smiles and unparalleled service add that extra touch of magic to your vacation. If you're looking for a taste of the high life, Sandals Ochi Beach Resort is your ticket. Because sometimes you don't just need a vacation, you need an experience. And that's what Sandals Ochi Beach Resort delivers. Ever wondered what it's like to live in a treehouse? Well, Hermosa Cove can give you a pretty good idea. Nestled in the heart of Ocho Rios, Hermosa Cove is not your typical beachfront resort. It's a rustic paradise that beckons the adventurous at heart, the romantics, and those who yearn for a vacation less ordinary. This resort is a collection of treehouse-style villas, each one a love letter to nature and a testament to the beauty of simplicity. Imagine waking up to the chirping of tropical birds, the rustling of leaves, and the distant lullaby of the Caribbean Sea. Here, each villa is a private sanctuary, decorated with handcrafted furnishings and surrounded by lush foliage. It's like living in a tropical dream where the line between indoors and outdoors is wonderfully blurred. And it's not just about the villas. Hermosa Cove is home to a collection of private beaches, each one a secluded corner of paradise where the waves kiss the shore and the sun paints the sky with hues of gold and crimson. It's a place where you can leave your footprints in the sand, swim in the warm Caribbean waters, and forget about the world for a while. Now let's talk about the rustic charm. You won't find any glitzy high-rises or flashy gimmicks here. Hermosa Cove is all about embracing the natural beauty of the surroundings. It's about dining under the stars, walking barefoot on the beach, and falling asleep to the symphony of the night. It's a place that invites you to slow down, breathe, and truly experience the beauty of Jamaica. And for those with a sense of humor, you'll appreciate the resort's whimsical touches. From the playful monkey sculptures dotting the landscape to the quirky signs reminding you to relax, Hermosa Cove doesn't take itself too seriously. And in a world that's often too serious, isn't that a breath of fresh air? Hermosa Cove is for those who want a vacation with a twist. If you've got kids in tow, or if you're just a big kid at heart, Moon Palace Jamaica is your playground. Nestled in the heart of Ocho Rios, Moon Palace Jamaica is a paradise of fun and adventure for the young and the young at heart. This place is like a candy store of experiences, where every corner holds a new treat to delight in. Imagine a water park that's not just for the little ones, but a place where adults can channel their inner child and plunge into a world of splashes and laughter. We're talking about water slides that twist and turn, leading you into cool, refreshing pools. But hey, if you're more of a lounge by the pool person, don't worry, there's plenty of room for you to catch some sun rays too, and it doesn't stop at the water park. Moon Palace Jamaica is a kingdom of fun, with a game room that's like stepping into your childhood dreams. Arcade games, board games, and even a little bit of friendly competition at the pool table. It's all here. And let's not forget about the Kids Club. This is a haven for the young ones, a place where they can embark on their own adventures while you sip on a cocktail or two. But it's not just about the kids, oh no. Moon Palace Jamaica knows how to cater to the adults as well. After a day of splashing around, you can unwind at the on-site spa, indulging in a massage while the sound of the waves lulls you into a state of bliss. Or maybe you'd prefer to test your skills at the surf simulator. The choice is yours. You see, at Moon Palace Jamaica, they've perfected the art of fun. It's a place where you can let loose, laugh, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So whether you're a thrill seeker, a lounging enthusiast, or a little bit of both, there's a place for you here. Moon Palace Jamaica, where fun is the name of the game. For the Bond fans out there, GoldenEye Hotel is more than just a namesake. Indeed, this Jamaican gem is a veritable homage to the world of secret agents and shaken martinis. Its legacy begins with British author Ian Fleming, who penned all 14 of his James Bond novels here. Can you imagine? Each page filled with thrilling espionage, dashing agents, and exotic locales, all inspired by the very grounds you could be walking on. GoldenEye Hotel isn't just about its illustrious past, though. It's a haven of luxury that would make even 007 himself feel right at home. Picture this: private villas nestled among lush greenery, each one a secluded escape from the world. These aren't your average accommodations, oh no. With their outdoor showers, private gardens, and direct access to the lagoon, they're more like personal paradises. And speaking of lagoons, GoldenEye's is something to behold. A tranquil body of water that sparkles under the Caribbean sun. It's the perfect place for a leisurely swim or a romantic boat ride. Just be careful not to drop any secret documents in there, okay? Of course, living the Bond lifestyle isn't complete without a bit of indulgence. GoldenEye Hotel doesn't disappoint, with its world-class dining and bars that serve up everything from traditional Jamaican cuisine to, you guessed it, perfectly shaken martinis. And if you're in the mood for a bit of pampering, the Field Spa is ready to whisk you away on a journey of relaxation and rejuvenation. So there you have it, an escape fit for a secret agent, steeped in history and brimming with luxury. Whether you're a Bond enthusiast or just someone looking for an extraordinary getaway, GoldenEye Hotel promises an experience like no other. GoldenEye Hotel, where you can live out your spy fantasies in style. Remember, a good spy never reveals their vacation secrets, so if anyone asks, you were at a very boring conference in Geneva. Shaken martini in hand, of course. If you're the type who likes to keep it green, Jamaica Inn is your eco-paradise. Nestled in the heart of Ocho Rios, this resort is more than just a spectacular beachfront property. It's a haven for the environmentally conscious traveler. Imagine waking up to the sound of chirping birds, not an alarm clock. Welcome to the bird-watching tours at Jamaica Inn. You'll be up close and personal with over 200 species of birds. Don't worry though, we're not asking you to be an ornithologist overnight. But hey, if you do manage to spot a Jamaican owl, consider yourself a pro. Now, if you're wondering about the turtles, let's dive right in, shall we? Jamaica Inn is home to an exceptional turtle hatching program. From June to December, you can witness the miracle of life, sea turtle style. It's an unforgettable experience, and you might just catch yourself cheering for those little guys as they make their way towards the ocean. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that Jamaica Inn uses solar power for a significant portion of its energy needs? That's right. This resort is literally powered by the Caribbean sun. So while you're soaking up rays on the beach, the resort is doing the same, but in a slightly different way. But it's not just about turtles and birds and solar panels. Jamaica Inn is also committed to reducing its waste. In fact, they've implemented a comprehensive recycling program. So rest assured, your vacation won't leave a massive carbon footprint behind. Throw in an organic garden supplying fresh produce to their kitchen, and you've got a resort that truly walks the eco-friendly walk. So if you're looking for a vacation that combines luxury with responsibility, Jamaica Inn is the place to be. Jamaica Inn, where you can vacation responsibly. If you can't make up your mind, Couples Tower Isle has a bit of everything. That's right, folks. We're talking about a place that's the very embodiment of choice and variety. At Couples Tower Isle, you'll discover a veritable smorgasbord of experiences waiting just for you. Now, let's talk about something that's a bit of a showstopper here, the private island. Just a quick boat ride from the main resort. This little piece of paradise is just the ticket for those seeking an extra splash of privacy and exclusivity. It's like having your very own deserted island fantasy, but with all the amenities of a luxury resort. But that's not all. The resort also houses an award-winning spa. It's the kind of place that whispers relaxation in your ear and lulls you into a state of utter bliss. Featuring a range of treatments from massages to facials, it's a haven for anyone seeking a bit of pampering. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good pampering session? Of course, we can't talk about Couples Tower Isle without mentioning the dining options. With 6 unique restaurants on site, you're spoilt for choice. Whether you're craving Italian, Asian, or local Jamaican cuisine, your taste buds are in for a treat. And let's not forget the beach grill for those midday snack attacks. What's particularly enchanting about Couples Tower Isle is that it offers so much, yet it never feels overwhelming. It's as if each experience, each offering, is a carefully crafted piece of a larger puzzle. A puzzle that, when put together, forms a picture of your ideal vacation. So whether you're a foodie, a spa enthusiast, a beach bum, or just someone who appreciates a bit of everything, Couples Tower Isle has got you covered. It's a place that invites you to indulge in a variety of experiences, to explore different facets of vacationing, all while enjoying the breathtaking beauty of Jamaica. Couples Tower Isle, where variety is the spice of life. So we've seen the cream of the crop, but which resort is the creamiest of them all? First off, we had the Sandals Ochi Beach Resort, the grand dame of luxury. With its private beaches and endless cocktails, it's a paradise for anyone looking to unwind in style. It's like having your own personal slice of heaven, but with a much better drink selection. Then there was Hermosa Cove. This quaint boutique resort is the epitome of charm. With its private villas nestled amidst lush greenery, it's the perfect place for those seeking serenity and solitude. It's as if Mother Nature herself decided to open a resort, with a dash of luxury, of course. Moon Palace Jamaica was a spectacle in itself. With its high-octane activities and a lively nightlife, it's the go-to place for thrill-seekers and party animals. It's like being at a never-ending carnival, but with a lot more comfort and a lot less cotton candy. GoldenEye Hotel, the name itself is enough to stir up some excitement. This former home of James Bond's creator, filled with history and glamour, is a treat for all the 007 fans out there. It's like stepping into a spy movie, minus the danger, plus the luxury. Jamaica Inn was like a trip back in time. With its old-world charm and timeless elegance, it's a haven for those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's like visiting your wealthy great-aunt's estate, but without the obligation to make polite conversation. And last but not least, Couples Tower Isle. With its adults-only policy and romantic setting, it's the ideal place for couples looking for some alone time. It's like living in a romantic movie, but without the dramatic plot twists. So there you have it, folks. A quick recap of the best resorts in Ocho Rios, each with its unique charm and appeal. But remember, the best resort is the one that suits your style. So, have I convinced you to pack your bags yet? It's hard not to be enticed, isn't it? Each of these resorts in Ocho Rios, Jamaica, offers a unique slice of paradise, a chance to unwind, and an opportunity to immerse yourself in the vibrant Jamaican culture. Just imagine it. Picture yourself lounging on the pristine beaches of Sandals Ochi Beach Resort, a cocktail in hand, the sun warming your skin as you listen to the gentle lullaby of the Caribbean Sea. Or maybe you're more attracted to the secluded luxury of Hermosa Cove, where you can revel in the tranquility of your private villa, surrounded by lush greenery and the soft chirping of tropical birds. Perhaps you're seeking the ultimate family-friendly experience. If so, Moon Palace Jamaica has you covered with its wide range of activities for all ages, from thrilling water sports to relaxing spa treatments. For the James Bond fanatics, there's the GoldenEye Hotel, where you can follow in the footsteps of Ian Fleming, and perhaps even pen your own adventure. For those who appreciate classic charm and elegance, the Jamaica Inn offers a timeless escape, where you can sip on a rum punch on your private balcony overlooking the azure sea. And let's not forget Couples Tower Isle, where romance is always in the air. It's the perfect spot for lovebirds seeking a serene and intimate getaway. Each of these resorts offers something special, something unique. They all provide the perfect backdrop for creating unforgettable memories. They're not just places to stay, they're experiences, stories waiting to be lived. So why not take the leap? Why not treat yourself to an experience of a lifetime? Why not let the land of reggae, jerk chicken, and beautiful beaches be your next destination? Book your trip and let your Jamaican adventure begin. Because at the end of the day, life is about experiences. It's about exploring new places, trying new things, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Your Jamaican adventure awaits.